Hey biters! Everybody knows that staples are killing baby seals. Lucky for you, there's a better way. Instead of using this, use this, a staple-free stapler. That is, a stapler that uses 0 staples. So not only will you have to buy fewer staples, because everyone knows that staples cost so much money, but you'll be creating less waste. But, does it work? Let's see. Let's staple 5 pages together. The Stapleless stapler works by perforating the pages and looping the paper within itself, like so. Ta-da! So save a baby seal. Go to someplace like Amazon.com and type in staple-free stapler. It'll set you back about $7. Happy biting!